down the water pressure so Captain Turbot can take a break. Rock!
We have interrupted your program to bring you some bad news for BBC Two.
An unknown pink virus named M, the pink corruption as Puvid-52, is spreading life in UK due to virus infections across of the country. Stay tuned. Now back to normal program.
No, George, that's Zaza's medal. It's a giant teddy.
Edmund has won.
Mummy, pass the parcel is finished.
Lovely. Now it's time for food.
Hooray!
We are very sorry for interrupting your good shows. Please listen. Our UK is infected by the pink corruption virus, and now Pentalo and Cube and Cyan makes Russia Desteries UK. And now we're sign off for playing the national anthem for the final time. God bless you all.
Ready for action, riders. Sir, brand new Paw
Each toy comes packed with star-marked gems, giving them real powers. Each toy also unlocks new effects for existing abilities. Well, you do Stars blazing. Can't get them in real life.
not great. Let not yourself now with dignity and respect. If you wish to die on your own terms, suicide is authorized.
Not ready for work.
Whatever.
Thanks for waiting, Squidward.
I wasn't waiting.
I was in such a hurry, I almost forgot my pants.
Yes, I saw that.
I guess I was in a panic. I mean, I can't believe we're running so late for work. Can you, huh, Squidward? Can you believe it? Are you panicking too? Late for work, we're running late for work, right?
Late?